Hi everyone, I'm Tara and welcome to my channel Discovering Vegan Foods. So today I've got a real big treat for you. We're going to do garlic tofu. Now this literally melts in your mouth, okay? You are going to want to make this recipe. Okay, so let's go. So I have 240 grams of tofu. What I'm going to do is slice it and then we're going to marinate it. We're going to leave it for 30 minutes or overnight if you have time, if you want to make it the day before, but 30 minutes is suffice. Okay, so we're just going to slice the tofu. I'm not going to be the consistency there, but it's up to yourself if you want thicker, but I like it nice and thin. Now we're going to make the marinade for the tofu. So we have 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil or the oil of your choice, half a teaspoon of onion powder, there we go, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of salt. I'm just using Himalayan salt, but use whatever salt you want, and 3 tablespoons of butter. And then just stir that together. After you slice the tofu, what we're going to do is make 3 little slits like so. And we're doing this because when we marinate it, all that lovely juicy marinade and the flavors are going to go inside the tofu. Okay. Now place the tofu into a resealable bag. I think this is the easiest way to marinate your tofu. Make sure that everything's covered. Okay, and then we're going to pour the marinade into the bag. And that's it. Make sure your air is out and then seal it. And just do over and back, just make sure it's all nice and covered. Okay, and then you can pop that into the fridge overnight or for 30 minutes. I'm going to add the tofu that we had marinated. This one lost a piece because I cut a little bit too deep. So these look really, really good now. They're nice and brown, and we're just going to take them off to the side, and then we're going to do our garlic sauce. It's 150 milliliters of veg stock and 4 garlic cloves. And we're just going to slice that now. So I've just added 3 tablespoons of vegan butter. And we're just going to melt it, and then we're going to add the vegan stock. Now we're going to add 150 milliliters of veg stock along with the butter. Give that a little stir. And just cook that for about 2 minutes. And now add the 3 garlic cloves. Nope, it was 4 garlic cloves. Here we are. Oh. So let's add the tofu. Here we are. And this is when it gets really good, okay? Because now it's going to be melt in your mouth tofu. Okay, so it's going to absorb the flavors of the garlic and the butter. And it is super delicious. Please take my word for this. Do the recipe. It is amazing. I promise you this. After a couple of minutes, just turn them over, okay? Because you really want to have that beautiful flavor absorbed in between the tofu. That's why we have the slit so that the marinade and also the garlic butter is going to absolutely absorb into the tofu. Because you know, the tofu is so versatile, you can make it taste however you want it to taste. You see how soft and beautiful the tofu is. Just gonna add a drizzle of sauce here as well, along with the garlic. And there you have it, that's your garlic tofu. I made mash with this, but feel free to use whatever side order you want. And I've also added a little bit of broccoli. Granted, it's on the yellow side, but I'm not gonna waste it, and it tastes so good. Moment of truth. Oh my god, that is so good. If I do say so myself, it melts in your mouth, and it's garlicky and buttery and all the things that it should be, and the flavor is absolutely beautiful. Okay, enjoy this. My gift to you.